Here's what you're going to see in today's video. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to be working on a 18 by 24 canvas, and I'm going to be doing a double open cup pour. You can see I've got my 2 cups there, and I've already kind of just gotten started. This kind of sometimes is a long process because of the way that you have to put the paint on. So you saw that I put a puddle down first, and I usually, once I get that, then I lift up the part of the cup there just to get the paint a little bit spread out. All right, you can see it a little bit better there. And just to let you guys know, all of my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol water, and I do add a little bit of Golden GAC800 to my mix. It really does help with cracking and crazing. It's not a must, but it's like a preventative. That's why I add it to mine. Alright, so I am adding some more each color, and you can see my lovely gold that I got. I actually just got that in the mail from one of my subscribers, Melanie Hudspeth. I'm not sure how she knew, but I was really low on my Deco Art 24 karat gold that I really like to use. So thank you, Melanie, for that surprise gift. She must have went and checked out my description and found my Amazon wish list. So thank you, Melanie, again for that. And since I'm talking about my description, there's a lot of stuff in there, guys. Besides having the colors, the brands of paint that I'm using, which these will be in there, I do have some other links for you guys to check out. My Teespring store for my merchandise is in there. I also have my Amazon store where you can find those items that I use every day. In that link, just click it takes you right to my store. I do also have my Facebook group is in there, Acrylic Pouring with Friends, which is really a great place for you guys to post your own videos and your own photos for everybody to see. We can get inspiration from each other there. So that's a really cool link to click on. Go check everybody's stuff out too. And also I do have my PayPal link. If you would like to support me, you can use that link. And also my membership. If you'd like to support me that way, you can join my membership. It's only $1.99, and it does help me buy all of the things that I need so I can create these videos for you guys that I love to make, and hopefully you guys love to watch. Alright, so I'm going to get back to the painting quickly, since that is why you guys are here. You can see that I must be feeling real fancy there because I'm putting both 2 colors in at the same time. You can see in the 1 cup though that what happens when you squeeze in too fast, that one has way too many bubbles. At least for me, I don't like that. But also, at the same time, putting the paint in a little forcefully does help push it out to find a happy medium between the two. Not too much, but you know, just a little bit. I mean, putting the paint in is going to create the pressure anyway, so you just got to kind of figure out what works best for you. So like I said, just not too much or you'll get a ton of air bubbles, which is probably what is going to happen, and I hate air bubbles, so I'll have to end up probably getting my torch out and getting those air bubbles out of there. But right now I'm just going to lift these up here so I can get these off and get to moving this canvas around. Yeah, you can definitely see all those air bubbles. So there's my torch, and they seem to be popping okay. It's just there's a lot of them. There's way too many, and they have got to go. I also, when I mix my paints, I never use paints that I have just mixed. I always, if I don't already have them made in my bottles, I make them the day before, sometimes even 2 days, and then, you know, maybe give them just a quick little stir before I use them, because you will have air bubbles galore in your paintings. All right, so now I do have kind of an idea of how I want this to go. So I'm gonna go, you know, from up and down, back and forth and side to side, because I want to try to save the design that you can kind of see there. All right, so I am just gonna go ahead and be quiet because I've talked quite a bit, and then just let you guys enjoy this part of the video, and I'll be back in a jiff. Okay guys, so some wet photos for you here. I am not really sure how I feel about this painting. I really did have a different idea in my head of how I was hoping that it was gonna look. So, you know, it is what it is, I suppose, sometimes. But I do like the colors, and I like how it's opposite, like with the dark side and the light side, but it kind of matches, but it doesn't at the same time. I don't know. So we'll see. You can see that the time lapse there, you can see the cells developing. So it's kind of growing on me a little bit after I saw that develop. So we'll see how it dries. Okay guys, so we've got the dried results for you here. It's a little different than what I thought it was going to be, but I'm still pretty happy with the final results. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and share it if you think someone might like this. I've got more awesome videos for you to check out, and I'll see you in my next video.